you are looking for a new business opportunity or just want to be along the river, take a look at 16958 Elk River Road in Duck, West Virginia. Recently appraised and surveyed, the property features a gutted building with garage on 4.77 acres. Across the road is a large concrete pad and roughly 400 feet of river frontage that takes you right down into the Elk River. On the property, you'll find a small historic bridge and wooded acreage. Electric and city water are available. In this part of the county, you'll find the Elk River Rail Trail that spans nearly 73 miles right along the river from Clendenin to the town of Gassaway and brings a large amount of tourism to this area. A small boat launch is only half a mile away and I-79 is only 2.5 miles away.